And it looks like that sunshine will stick around for at least a few more days before the chance for the storms to return.
Right, they'll be back midweek, but we do get a pleasant start to this week across our area. So if you need some sunshine, get outside and enjoy the next couple of days across our area. This evening it is clear, mostly clear. Temperatures falling back into the 40s, upper 40s to lower 50s. Southwest winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's going to keep us from dropping as far as we normally could on a night with clear skies, but it'll still be a little bit cooler tomorrow morning than it's been the last few, down to 43 as we get closer to 6 o'clock. There's the front that brought those storms yesterday, exiting the East Coast. High pressure down to our south and west, so we're kind of getting the flow around that on the northwest side of that. That's going to warm us up the next couple of days ahead of this storm system out to the west. Now, it's in two components right now. We have one area of upper level low pressure just to the south and west of the desert southwest, and then another piece of energy here in the northern branch of the jet stream. Both of these features are going to zip across the plains and then merge and kind of phase into one storm system, and that will eventually head our way as we get into Wednesday. We're going to be on the warm side of that, so that means we get a chance of thunderstorms. Now, before those storms arrive, a clear start to the week. We are down into the upper 30s to lower 40s tomorrow. Temperatures work their way back up to near 70 during the afternoon. It'll be a breezy day with a southwest wind in place with mostly sunny skies. Tuesday morning, not as cool as Monday morning, down into the lower 50s. And notice how we start to see the clouds come in Tuesday morning. That's going to be associated with an increase in the amount of moisture in the air, and that moisture could lead to a few isolated showers during the first part of Tuesday. Temperatures will continue to climb, though, Tuesday afternoon back into the lower 70s. We're forecasting 72 right now. And then Tuesday night into Wednesday, look at how warm these temperatures stay with a south wind in place. We'll be down into the 60s Wednesday morning. We'll see a chance for some storms up to our north and west early Wednesday morning, kind of up in the vicinity of this warm front up across northwest PA. But better chances for storms develop during the day Wednesday as this cold front works its way in from the west, and we'll likely see several waves of storms with windy conditions. On the backside of that front, temperatures will cool off very quickly going into Thursday morning. That could set us up for even a little bit of light snow as we get into the early morning hours of Thursday. This is the area that the Storm Prediction Center has outlined for the potential of severe weather on Wednesday. Generally areas from 422 from Newcastle over toward Indiana, down southwest toward the Pittsburgh metro area, and to east central Ohio, northern West Virginia. Again, this is going to be the area that has a little bit more of those ingredients in place, the wind shear and the energy in place. Now, we're still a couple of days out, so things could shift around with this, but just keep that in mind as we head into the day on Wednesday. As far as rainfall amounts go, expect a healthy 3/4 of an inch to near an inch of rain, the highest amounts up in our northwest county. So we're going to add on to what has been a fairly wet start to the month of March. Our next potential first alert day comes up on Wednesday with that chance of storms. Warm and dry before that, 70 for the high tomorrow, a chance of an isolated shower on Tuesday. Temperatures falling through the day on Thursday. That high of 54 occurs at midnight. Most of the day will be spent in the low 40s.